But the big story at the moment remains Mumbai, the aftermath of the severe cyclone Nisarg, which hit Alibag about 90 kilometers away from Mumbai. Mumbai, which has experienced its last major cyclone in 1891 and a minor one in 1948, was mercifully spared of the worst. While rains lashed the city and strong winds led to trees being uprooted, in many cases damaging vehicles, there was no loss of life. Our top story today is how the maximum city coped with a maximum cyclone.
Trees uprooted. Bus stop crashing to the ground. Electric poles ripped out of the ground. Cyclone Nisarga Navi Mumbai area on Wednesday. Nisarga is the first June cyclone to hit the city in more than a century.
As you can see, the wind speed is increasing, and according to the IMD, the wind speed right now is about 100 kilometers per hour to 110 kilometers per hour. Now, this kind of a wind speed of a cyclonic storm is something which Mumbai city, the maximum city, is not at all used to.
Cyclone Nisarga made landfall near Alibag, 100 kilometers south of Mumbai, bringing in heavy rains and gushing winds. Maximum damage was caused to trees, with several being uprooted across the city.
We are at CST area. Here you can see this big tree fallen on the main road. Fortunately, there was no loss of life as there is not much traffic on the road. But these kind of tree fall incidents have been reported at multiple locations in Mumbai.
The force of the wind was strong enough to bring down signboards.
Several signboards have fallen on this particular bridge, and the wind is gradually increasing a lot. You can't even stand at this particular place where we are right now.
Fishermen were left scrambling in the wake of the storm, moving their boats up the shore to safety.
कम से कम यहाँ पे हमारे 10 से 12 बोट चली गई ऊपर, और बाकी बोटें थी सब हम लोगों ने वो खाड़ी साइड में रखी है।
अब आप लोग ये अभी क्यों कर रहे हैं? पहले क्यों नहीं कर लिया आप लोगों ने?
हम लोग को चेतावनी मिली थी पर पानी उतना भर नहीं रहा था, इसके वजह हम लोग ने रुक गए थे यहाँ।
Section 144 was imposed across the city to restrict movement of people. Vehicular movement was not allowed on the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. People in low-lying areas were evacuated. 8 NDRF teams were deployed in the city to carry out relief and rescue operations. The BMC set up a disaster management cell to monitor situation on the ground.
These are the screens of the CCTV cameras placed across Mumbai, and every beach and every facility is being monitored like this. Whenever there is going to be any kind of a disaster, if the tree falls or the road gets blocked, or because of the rain there is a water logging, the disaster management cell will alert the fire brigade officials who are standing here. At the same time, the police officials will be alerted with these lines here, which has been mentioned, these telephone lines.
Keeping in view the inclement weather, flight operations from the city were suspended till 7 p.m. While the maximum city feared the worst, Nisarga spared it, weakening by the time it reached Mumbai.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.